YouTube here. Have you all ever wanted to play Fortnite on the phone? Well, I got you covered. First, download the Epic Games Store. Go to your browser. Then search Epic Games. Click on it. Then wait for everything to load. Then click Install. Install on Android. For me, I already downloaded it, but for you, you should be able to download it. After downloading the Epic Games Store, find Fortnite on it. Then there should be a download button. If you see a download button, click on it. After downloading it, just click on the Fortnite app. Mind you, there is still 10 gigabytes to download. Inside the Fortnite app. Okay guys, that's all. BYE.